Hey guys, I'm here with the video. Today we're going to tame this head of mine. I just recently washed my hair and it has been conditioned, but we are about to get started. So first you're going to need a comb. I personally like the rat tail combs because my hair is kind of thick. We are going to need some oil so your scalp, or my scalp, won't be dry. I personally put it throughout my hair as I braid. Of course, you're going to need some thread, any thread of your choice. I also like to use clips because my hair likes to go different ways. So, oh my goodness. And of course, you're going to need needles. I usually use about 5 to 10 needles. It just makes the process go faster. And we are gonna get started. I will be using iWearGlam. This is hair that I already had dyed and everything. So we are gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I'm getting started with sewing in the tracks. When I sew in the back of my hair, I usually double the tracks. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but my head is very small, so I prefer it. It's a preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tracks in the back of my head. I'm going to align it. Now, when I do my hair, I don't really have a mirror. I've been doing my hair for quite some time to the point where I just sew it in. So I'm gonna put the needle through the tracks first to secure it with my braid. And once I do that, I make sure I pull the thread securely and make sure that it's in there tight. Sometimes I loop it around, or sometimes I double knot it when I first begin the tracks, and then from there I'll knot it really tight. Make sure it's in there. It's in there. It's in there. And I'll just do it again for security purposes. And I caught some hair there. And once I do that, then it's easy. Alrighty, so I have fully installed all 3 bundles that I have. It's very full and very thick. I am going to use my Remington Flatirons that I got from my local Walmart. I love these flat irons so much. And I'm gonna start off by straightening my hair, and then I'm gonna go back and curl it. Now, a lot of people do not know how to use flat irons. I like the flat iron curls personally. I mean, I love curls, period. But I'm gonna section off my hair first. Only because it's easier for me to curl my hair. Like I said, I don't use a mirror, so I cannot see. So it's just easier for me to navigate. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am going to get a small section from the back, and I'm gonna move all of the hair over to one side. Once I do that, I'm going to flat iron the hair. Get all that hair out the way. I'm going to flat iron the hair and chase the chase the comb with the flat iron. So it's easier, it gives it that bone straight, and it just makes the curl hold, in my opinion. So once I flat iron it first, I go back and curl it. Now, I'm right-handed. I'm not sure if this has anything to do with that, but I do my curls to my left, on my left-hand side, and then like on the right side of my hair, I like bend the flat irons to my right. So I am going to do another video of that on how exactly to curl. I don't want to record this because it's a little time consuming. But yeah, so you get that perfect curl, and it's so perfect. I love it. Look at that. I'm gonna pull my curls out at the end, but I'm gonna speed the rest of this up for us. Alrighty, now that everything has been installed and we are curled, it is now time to tame my leave out. I personally love the hot comb. It makes my hair super straight because my roots are very thick, and it just gives it that good blending look. So I think I burnt myself right here. Ooh. So it does get a little hot. I only recommend using the hot comb if you have really coarse hair and you're wearing like a straight hairstyle. Also, be very careful. I had to be very careful. Like I said, I've been doing my hair for quite some time, so I've had my share of burning myself and getting right through it. But this is a quick process, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for us as well. So I am going to just pull out those curls and style my bangs to my liking. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.